Beverage selection. The Sure Immersion 220 machine comes preloaded with 4 default recipes, 2 hot beverages and 2 cold beverages. This is the first screen to appear, called the User or Carousel Interface screen. Drinks are selected by swiping left or right across the screen, or by touching the arrows located on the left and right. Touch the screen to make a beverage selection. After the selection has been made, you will be prompted to select the desired beverage size, if set up to dispense multiple sizes. Place the beverage cup on the tray below and touch the Start button on the screen to brew your individual fresh cup of coffee. This is the home screen that will appear after the coffee has been dispensed. If the Stop button is pressed during dispensing, you will be presented with a new screen that indicates the dispensing is paused, canceling the operation. After pausing, the screen will change, indicating the machine is resetting or initializing from the previous canceled selection. Do not remove your cup from the drip tray while the machine is resetting. After the reset, you will be returned to the original selection screen to start a new selection process.